this is definitely going to be the place that we're going to be staying tonight. Let's get out and look around because it's really nice. Goldie, we got to let you out. There we go. Look at this spot, it's way better. We have a nice view. That right there is the Swanee River. We got a nice view of the river down there, for sure. Goldie, she's got to go check it out. Man, sun's out. It is a beautiful, beautiful day. I figured Goldie and I go for a little walk, go check out this boat ramp, as you can see here behind us right there. Nice little boat ramp. There's a walk up here. Oh wow. I would certainly hate for my vehicle to die if I was loading my boat and got stuck trying to get up this ramp. Man, that'd be a real beaver of a situation. Wonder if there was camping here at one point in time with all this open area like this and cleared out. And I think we're gonna end up having a fire later. Somebody was nice enough to leave us a bunch of cut up firewood. Pretty much have everything set up where we're gonna be camping out tonight. Can't forget Goldie. Here we have the car backed in. Kind of a little bit of shade, not too much. Have the solar panels out. Now you notice I don't have the window screens on. I'm not gonna put them on. I'm not gonna worry about it. A few bugs ain't gonna hurt nothing. Solar panels set up. I was just gonna be getting ready to get the drone out and fly that a little bit, but got the back open, a little airflow, charging the remote, have my chair set up. I was just sitting there watching out over the water, just kind of relaxing, awfully peaceful. And there's Goldie, her food and water. And that's a little view of our view of where we're going to be camping. Just finished doing a live on YouTube. Hopefully you had a chance to check it out. I was just going to show you what we made for dinner. If you didn't have a chance to catch us in that live, let's take a peek what we made for dinner tonight. Tonight we cooked outside. Sometimes I cook inside on the air with the air fryer and sometimes outside. Tonight we cooked outside. It was a pretty simple meal, nothing too challenging. Made some eggs and some taters. We got some Black Forest ham in there, some cheese and some seasoning. And we just cooked that bad boy up right here. And the nice thing, I made enough for breakfast tomorrow. I won't have to make any tomorrow. There was a little look at what I had for dinner tonight. But I'm gonna sit down and enjoy my view of the water and finish eating dinner. Perfect time to go for a walk. Dinner's all cleaned up. I have everything put away. I have the solar panels put away. I have the car basically set up and ready for camping tonight. But we're gonna go for a walk first. Come on, Goldie, let's go for a walk. We can see a little bit of the sunset coming through the tree. Just a little bit. Beautiful sunset tonight. Oh, look at down that road, so pretty. What's up, dog? Come on, let's go. Come on. Nice thing about this spot, it's free. And I looked around, there wasn't any signs anywhere saying that, hey, you can't camp here or nothing. But what a great spot. Come on, Goldie, let's go check this pavilion thing out up here. The poor pavilion looks like she's in pretty tough shape. Walls coming down. Wonder how long this thing's been here. Probably been here a long time. I honestly have to say, this is awesome. Look at this. We have this whole freaking place to ourselves. This is so sweet. Love it. On our way back from our walk, I was thinking, gosh, since we're the only ones that are here camping, I don't even think I'm going to put my window coverings up tonight in the car. I think I'll just leave the windows rolled up and cracked a little bit and not even worry about putting the window coverings up tonight. Right, Goldie? We're the only ones camping here, aren't we, honey? Whatever. Since somebody is nice enough to leave us some wood, we better have a fire, and I've kind of started making one already. But I'm going to finish building ourselves a fire. Well, we have a little fire started. Let's see how it goes. Been trying to get her to look at me. She won't look at me. Got the fire going pretty good, though. Not too bad. Well, that's going to be a wrap on today's fun. We had a nice little spot here at this boat landing. Hopefully we get through tonight without any problems. I don't think we're going to have any problems here. It's been pretty quiet. Goldie, she's already in back sleeping, as you can tell. So we will catch you tomorrow. Peace. Well, good morning. I'm still in bed. As you can see, it's early. Goldie, she's just getting up. She was over there sleeping in her chair where she normally sleeps to get the day started, but let's get out of bed and get this day going. Or maybe not. I might go back to bed. Oh, look at that. The sun's just starting to come up a little bit. I didn't even put the window coverings up last night, being that we're the only one at this boat ramp. Oh, it's going to be a beautiful morning. So let's go ahead and get up, make some coffee, and get this beautiful day started. Good morning, Goldie. Good morning, honey. Hi, babies. Yeah, good morning. You want to go outside, babies? Okay, let's go outside. Well, everything's put away, bed's made, Goldie's fed, she's back there eating her breakfast already. Aren't ya? You're eating breakfast. It's gonna be a beautiful day, Goldie. Right, honey? It's gonna be a beautiful day. Beautiful morning, sun's coming up. It's just Goldie and I here. This was the best spot I've had in a very long time. Beautiful morning sunrise coming up right along the Swanee River. So pretty. What a beautiful morning. Relax a little this morning. Finish having my coffee that I have sitting over here on top of the car and hang out a little bit this morning. A little update since this morning. Goldie and I are just hanging out, enjoying this free camping spot. I actually thought about leaving and going to another spot, finding another place, but this is such a nice spot right along the river. I'm having a hard time leaving this spot, so we're gonna stay here one more day. I mean, seriously, can you blame us for wanting to stay here? I mean, we have a great view. Car is nice and set up. Solar panels are out. I mean, we can't get much nicer, and the best part, it's free. Nice part about staying here for the day, it gives me a chance to do some video editing that I need to do, and that's where this shelf comes in super handy for car camping. So if you're car camping and you need a little more room and don't know what to do, here's an idea for you. Get yourself some of that galvanized piping, get yourself a base, put your base down there, and you can get a swivel cable. It works great. That's the nice part about staying here all day. Gives me a chance to do some video editing, enjoy the beautiful view, the beautiful scenery we have right next to the water. And that's what I'm going to do for the next couple hours. So we'll see you in a couple hours. just finished making dinner here in the old hot rod Prius right behind me. Did a little outdoor cooking. Let's take a look and I'll show you what we made for dinner tonight. Tonight we made a little meatball marinara sauce, and then I cut up some potato. Super cheap meal. Picked up the meatballs from the Dollar Tree. Actually, I didn't. I got them from a friend. Sarah got them, and I'm trying them out, and they're super delicious. I'm really happy with them. But super good meal, really cheap from the Dollar Tree. For basically under $2, I made my dinner, not Goldie's dinner, but I made my dinner tonight for under $2, and that's pretty tough to beat, honest. I mean, if you're asking me, that, my friends, is traveling cheap and traveling on a budget. Oh, somebody's down by the water. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, I'm talking to you. I see you. Hey, come on. Come on. Good girl. Had a nice dinner. Just lit the fire. Now it's time to relax, sit down, and enjoy the nice calm sounds, listen to the birds chirping, and enjoy the fire.